Would you like to know how to generate leads from YouTube? Not just generate ad revenue or how to have a video go viral, but how can a business leverage YouTube for lead generation? We're going to talk about what type of video is best if your goal is lead gen. We're going to talk specifically about how to get that person to go to a landing page on your website. Now this one's really important. We're going to talk about how to have them feel like they're not being sold to. And when you generate leads in this way, you're not going to generate low quality leads. We're actually going to generate real high, real referral quality leads. So let's dive right in. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to assume that you already know how to get views on this video. If you don't know how to do that, I'll link to a video right up here. Watch YouTube SEO, the Leaf Strategy. The Leaf Strategy is the best way to generate views on your videos, okay? So if you don't know that, go watch that video first and then come back here. So now that they found you on YouTube, these are people who've never heard of you before. They went to Google or YouTube and they did a search, and now they found you. They're watching your video. You don't want to promote yourself, your services, your program, your expertise. All you want to do is answer their question. See, when people have never heard of you before and they're doing a search, they're in a what's in it for me kind of mindset. They're like, I need this. And so if you start presenting what you want, like, hey, I want you to subscribe, or hey, here's my services, do you want to learn about it? That's not what they want. And as kind of a side note, it's better if your channel is your name. Like you'll notice my channel is Nate Woodbury instead of Be the Hero Studios or Be the Hero LLC or something like that that sounds like a business. You want it to be your personal name. Now, after they've watched this video, it could be a 5, 10, 15-minute video, depending if it's a leaf video or a lead magnet video. But at the end of the video, you need to have a really solid call to action. So this whole video, you're not selling anything, but at the end, you are selling what they should do next. Like if you want them to go watch another video, you just really need to let them know why they need to go watch it. It's like, hey, now that you understand the answer to this question, or now that you see the importance of this concept, I want you to learn my entire strategy. Go watch this video next. Or if you're giving away a free gift, you can say, okay, now that you understand this strategy, I'm excited for you to be able to implement it. And I've created a free mini course. You can go take this mini course. You can start to implement it now. If you complete this course, you will blank, 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 right? Go ahead and go take that course now, right? So you want to have a really good call to action where you are selling the value of that free gift. Now, something that I've been experimenting with, and it's been working, is more than just giving away something free. People have been really interested in a low-priced digital product. So one thing that I've done is I've got a mini course and I charge $17 for it. And I'm not selling that to you here. You're welcome to look it up on my website. But just as an example, I might teach my leaf strategy, right? And at the end of the video, I'm like, if you really want to implement this strategy, I've got a mini course. I'm only charging $17 for it. And if you take this mini course, then blank, 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 and you'll be able to do this, this, this. So go ahead and click the link below and you can access that mini course. It's only $17, right? So it's pretty cool to experiment. You might charge $9 or $25, just something really low. Compare that with something that you're giving away for free. We're noticing that there is a little bit of burnout of free. Now, free is still good. I think free will always work. But when people see something that's really low price, they're like, yeah, I'd be willing to pay $9 for that. Another option that you can do is you can do live webinars. And so you can invite people to learn the whole strategy in a live webinar and get their questions answered. Now, YouTube penalizes you when you send somebody from YouTube to your website or to a landing page, right? So if you have a lot of your videos that the call to action is to go watch another video, then you're really going to get a lot of kudos from YouTube. YouTube's going to like that. They're going to promote these videos. So majority of your videos link to another video, but then that video that you link to is going to link to your website and you're going to generate leads. This works really, really well. Now I have created another video here on YouTube where I go very tactically step by step on how to do this YouTube SEO. So I'll link to that video on the screen here. It's what is YouTube SEO, tactical step by step.